Hi everybody, this is Nerd Limit and we're going to talk about Boston Dynamics. And it's an American engineer and robotic design company founded back in 1992. Boston Dynamics is being purchased recently in 2020 by this company.
Often, the only way forward is first to go back. We go back to begin again, striving for what's next, to build what will bring us closer together. We go back to steel, to carry us to uncharted territories. Back to water that allows us to go further. Back to feet, to feel the ground beneath. As mobility evolves, so does humanity. For you. For you. For all of us. Because of you.
Yes, Boston Dynamics is no longer a private company. It's now purchased through a major company, Hyundai, because they see the potential of robotics and also they see the development of different robots Boston Dynamics being created. And one of them is Big Dog. Big Dog in the beginning of back in 2010, it was a collaboration between the Department of Defense and Boston Dynamics. The main purpose of this robot is to carry equipment in the battlefield and also helping injure soldiers off the battlefields. And also this one inspired on the Battlefield video game. The other one is Spot. It is which one is the kind of famous. Spot, it was created back in June 23, 2016 by Boston Dynamics, revealed the four-legged canine inspired called Spot, in which one weighs only 55 pounds and is lighter than the other products. Now, Spot is supposed to be being used purposely for people with disabilities and senior citizens to help. And Spot recently being created for the police department and in constructions. Like for example, in October 2021, it was announced that Boston Dynamics will collaborate with CEPT, a construction industry provider. The combined Spot data collectively capable with CEPT technology that offer insight on captured data which can be used to enhance and efficiency, productivity, and collaboration through each of the project's life cycle. That's the reason Spot is one of the greatest creations so far and is available for purchase for civilian use or constructions or even patrol. They've been used in Thailand. That's great technology. Well, besides Spots and Big Dog, we watching Pac-Man. Pac-Man is one of the first anthropomorphic robots that move and dynamically like a real person. It's a bipedal, and the main purpose of this robot is to be testing chemical protection suits. That is the reason his name Pac-Man stands for Protection Ensemble Test Mannequin. It is in conjunction with the Department of Defense and Boston Dynamics to test and improve the quality of the chemical suits for the soldiers for the battlefield. Well, the other robots for Boston Dynamics is called Handle. Handle is a robot designed specifically for warehouse only, and his main purpose is to able to help to lift heavy items instead of the human beings, and it has two wheels instead of bipedal. It can go downstairs, up and down hills, and go to a speed of 5 miles per hour. Believe it or not, back in 2016, the Handle was testing in Walmart in the beginning. And after that, they created another one. It's been recently being used in secret by major companies in Europe and in United States. This one called Stretch. they use an arm with vacuum system to attach the boxes. This device or robots they use only for one purpose, lifting and moving boxes. They're gonna work in the department of shipping and receiving. And the ones they help to bring down boxes they're considered too fragile or too heavy for the humans. And yes, like I say, it's being tested right now in Amazon, in California, in a secret location, and Walmart in other states. Their no purpose is to replace humans, is to guarantee the safety of the items being load or unload from the trucks. That's the main purpose of the robot. Once they unload it, the humans take it and put it to the right place. Well, we reach our main character. This guy is more famous than Spot. His name is Atlas, a 5-foot bipedal humanoid robot. It was only designed supposed to be in the beginning for search and rescue, and it was evolved from Pac-Man. And the most amazing part about this robot today is able to move himself without any support or cable of devices to able to balance himself. Hyundai see this video on the internet back in 2018 and they see the potential of Boston Dynamics in robotic, and they want to compete against Asimov from Honda. Only that, you see in the video he get pushed, move around, able to balance himself, keep doing his job. And actually there was a video they mocking him or make fun of Atlas. For some guys on YouTube, they make some videos of special effects and they try to people say this is real, this is fake, and people they thinking the CG is real and Atlas is fake. That is impressive. And only that, Atlas can able to run. People get confused. Their advance is so great they can't see the difference between which one is fake and which one is the real. That's a great achievement. Atlas was designed now for helping humans, especially disabled ones or senior citizens on the medical field. That's the main purpose Hyundai is in it. He can jump, he can move, even do a parkour, even dance. That's one of the greatest achievements once again for robotics. Well, what is the future of Boston Dynamics? Well, Boston Dynamics will be the leader of robotic technology. Atlas will be on the medical field of civilian use in the next 3 to 5 years max. Atlas will once again be helping disabled people or people, their seniors. That's gonna be a great achievement and everything. Well, this is Nerd Corner Limit, and we see you soon for more news in technology, anime, and comics.
The most rewarding thing about my job is that I never have to work very hard to explain why I love it. I love working on robots. I love working with people that have passion to push, to try new things, and really just explore things that have been unexplored. And I think almost every day at Boston Dynamics involves elements of that.
The work that we're doing now, I view as really just foundation building. We're building the core capabilities that we think any useful robot will need. And in doing so, we're really defining the next set of challenges that we're going to be working on over the next 2 to 5 years.
It's extremely hard, but it's also very rewarding. You know, it's like, I wouldn't want to be somewhere where I'm not working on like a super hard problem that nobody else is working on. So, you know, it's just, that's the opportunity that we get to do here every day.
3, 2, 1.